Hi there, I'm Zeph from Dahua Technology Kenya, and I'm going to introduce this product we have in the local market. Just to make a quick preview, it's a 3-in-1 modular crimping tool, and before I open it, let's just look at it. It has three functional parts. We have the press wire part, we have the shrilled wire, and then we have the tangent wire based on what you want to achieve. So this is a tool we can equip our technicians and engineers with. Whether you're dealing with Dahua product or any other product, is still applicable because it's fitting the standards. So what we have here is portable. Then it has magnetic steel that's hard and durable. That is to cut the wires and press. Then using press pliers, you just install crystal top and position it, then it will do the pressing and conveniently do it for you. So let's just open it up and see. So when I remove this cover, we'll get a better preview here. So it will cut 3 different parts for crimping. We have the 6-pin, 8-pin and 4-pin. So the 6-pin is called RJ11. Then we have the 8P. 8P is RJ45. Then we have the 6P for RJ12. So based on which variation you are looking for 4P, 6P or 8P, you can use this crimping tool to do crimping and cable management and cutting and all this. So what comes here is, one, you get an external cable stripper. So this one you can strip different sizes of cables. You can also do patching in the patch panel with this part. So based on your expertise, this is pretty standard in the market. Then now to the crimping tool itself. So this is the Dahua crimping tool. So let's just highlight. We have the 6P. 6P, we mentioned it is RJ12. Then we have the 8P for RJ45, and then we also have the 4P for RJ11. So you just insert here, then you get the pin here crimping RJ45. The other standards, they just crimp inside in here, and then that's it. Then for cable cutting and cable stripping, we have the 3 different standards. This one is to cut sharp sheath, then this one is to strip the sheath, then this part to completely cut the cable so that you maybe want it balanced. So this standard pretty in the market, and it's available in the local market. So if you need to place orders, just feel free to contact me and we can provide it for you. In case of any inquiries or any other products that you'd like to know about Dahua, feel free to follow my different channels. I also have a YouTube, so if you want to see more details, previous videos, feel free to follow and subscribe so that you learn more, and we'll be in touch. In case you need to contact me, just find my WhatsApp on 254-7127244949 or email me on hello@mwando.co.ke. All these details are on my bio, so you can feel free to reach out and let's keep in touch. Thank you.